Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to add a text. So let's get started. So welcome back to Teens Club, and today I'm going to show you how to add a text like I said. So delete this cube, Shift A and text. Like you see, we have a text. So click on tab to go in the edit mode. Okay, so do this and write anything you like. For example, I'm going to write the name of my channel, Teens Club, and that's how it works. Secondly, I'm going to change the resolution and this stuff. So I'm going to make it 1. And look, it's like jagged and it isn't nice actually, so I'm gonna do it 50 and it's very smooth now. Maybe to 100. No difference, so 12 again. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to change this center. I'm going to bring it to center, or this flash, or justify, or right side and center, of course, and the left side. But I want the center and vertical top baseline like this, and do the top and center, of course, at the bottom. And what else? Bottom baseline, and these stuff look so boring, so tab to get back to object mode. Okay, so as I was saying that this is our text and we want to make it straight in front of us, so click on R to rotate. No, wait. Go to object mode first, tab object mode, and R to rotate, but you don't want it like this, you want it in the exact place. So R to rotate X 90, and that's how it works. So click on terraces, select it actually, and go geometry and change it to, for example, this one is 40. No, this is a lot. My text is ruined like this, so I'm going to change it to 0.15 millimeter or less, 0.10 millimeters. This is nice, and you can change this also. We want it perfect, not too harsh. That's what we call it, a text. Now put 0. I'm gonna set this later. Now we want to add color to our text. So the usual way the people use it. So it's object convert to, we have 3 choices. So go on mesh from curve, meta, surf, and text. Anyway, it's material and surface and text. Okay, so it's selected already, so go on it's selected, edit mode, and click on 3. Wait 1 second. 3 like this, and go to extra mode, and the shortcut for this is Alt Z, and go here to face. Okay, so we can select the middle line like this, and the whole text is selected. Then what should we do? Go to material, add new material, then new, then add a new material and new, and select the color. I'm going to select color, this color is going to be pink, and click on assign. So let's check it out. Tab extra mode off, and nothing happened because we're in the solid mode. Go to render mode, and voila, we have to set the light also, so our text So we can see our text, grab it like this, see? It's white and pink. We can set this as sun. Actually, we need a ground, right? So Shift A, you can choose any color for text. Plain, scale. I'm going to grab our text. G for grab and Y, no, not Y, wait. G for grab and X axis, like this, I guess. I don't want to change the color because the color is not, I can see the color quite well, so I'm gonna change it to color blue. It's nice, blue and white. Actually, I'm gonna change the white and I'm gonna set it to pink. Maybe let this blue and the other one pink. Right now it will be nice. Oh, wow, this is very nice actually. I can't hold it, it's very nice. I'm not lying, so let's set this as sun. And the power is so high, right? So I'm gonna set it at 15 or 30. No, not 15 or 10. No, 15 is nice. So let's point it right here. And now it's nice. We want to set our camera. So lock camera to view, or remember the other trick, you can set it quite here. I want to set it here like this. Control Alt pad 0, but still it's not working. So it works, but it's gonna take lots of time. So view, lock the camera to view. This is quite easier. So like this, I'm going to scale my camera. I want to scale my ground even bigger. As to scale, and now it's nice. Wait, I'm gonna scale it even more, like this. 0. Now it's nice. I'm going to add material to our ground. So new base color. What color should we put? Maybe green or purplish, or this. Yeah, this color is nice. This color is quite pinky. White is awesome actually, but I want to show you how to set the base color to a ground. So let's set it to black. Black is quite good, and 0. This is quite awesome. I want to try another thing. Let's change the color and go to material 1, white, and material 2, black. Let's try this out. Wow, look here. These sides are black and this side is white, but I don't need this. I want to change it. Let the inside color black and the outline let it white. Now that's what I call coloring. This is very nice. I want to change the ground color also. Let's change it to white or grayish. White is very nice, but the outline, we can't see the outline if the ground is white. I'm going to set it as grayish white and black, and this is very nice actually. 0. So I hope you learned a lot from this video. It's quite simple actually to add a text, and I hope you enjoy and write lots of documents. Actually, we have Word and PowerPoint, so we can add this in our animation. We make the animation on the character and write on his shirt, or on the shop, the name, for example, Costa Coffee or Starbucks or McDonald's or anything you like. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me some thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and see you later. Bye.